Going on YouTube, it's your boy JR6P, and we got a new mod. Look at this. Got a new carbon fiber steering wheel, bro. Hey, hold up. Hey, yo. Hey, bro, this thing's clean. We got that red strap in the middle. We got the carbon fiber. We got the perforated leather. So there's a new one, obviously, and then this is how the old one looks. Hold up. So there's the old one, and there's a new one. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm excited. This thing looks so good, bro. All right, so let's get to installing, because I only got like 2 hours, because I gotta go through school in 2 hours. I was in the last video, so I dropped my car to get my my wheels power coated, and this is how they look. Hey, so we got that white power coat. Hey, I think it looks way better, bro. This looks way better than the black wheels. Can't really get a good video, because to be honest with you, I haven't really taken the car out since I got it back from the shop. Like, it was a couple days ago. But hey, this thing looks good, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna start installing this thing. I kind of know how to do it already. I replaced a couple airbags in the past in other cars. So you know, we gotta disconnect the battery first. Disconnect the battery. We go for like a few minutes. So I don't want that airbag to blow in my face. I ain't trying to, you know. But all right. So now we got the battery disconnected. Now we're gonna leave it for a few minutes. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then we're gonna take this thing out. But we pretty much just have to put like a screwdriver in here, another one in here, and then there's another one down here somewhere. Down here. So pop those up, pull this up, disconnect it, take the wheel off, and then we're good. But I am gonna grab some tape and put it here so I can line the wheel up at the end, you know. All right, so we got it out. This one was tricky for some reason, but I got it out. Now we just gotta disconnect this connector. These two connectors right there, the two yellow ones, and then we're done with this airbag. So I took the airbag out, put that over here. So the connector, two connectors. Now just gonna unscrew these plastic tabs. That one too. That one. Disconnect these. And I think that's it. And then obviously take this one out, but I think that's it. But we will see in a few seconds, I guess. Bro, I got the wrong, bro. It's not even the right one. Show me that. So this is the original one. Man, I've been here 45 minutes doing all this for nothing. And then I'm pretty sure I broke this piece. Look at this. Oh my god. Next time. So either way, I'm not in the wrong. The description said for a 2024 Type R, and I was like, okay, 2024 Type R. I have a 2024 Type R, so it's gonna fit. Bro, it didn't fit. So I'm gonna return it, and I'm just gonna order a new one. It's probably gonna be here like in a week or so, I think. Hopefully. Oh my god, bro. I just wasted 45 minutes for nothing. It is weird. I just hope my wheel's not crooked when I put it back. Bro, they're making fun of me. Hey, look, record this. Look, I did break it. This is loose. I'll hate myself. You know what? No, it's actually a win-win, because I'll just get this in carbon fiber, so I don't care. I can't believe I did this shit for nothing. Oh my god. But we're putting the wheel back, and then that's it. Now I gotta wait like another week until I get the another one. Low-key, this one, the new one, I'm gonna do red leather here instead of black. I'll just do red. I think it'll look better. Low-key. Yeah, you can stop it. All right, so we're putting the airbag back on and we're done with this. I swear. Let me see. What? Oh, put it down here. Thank you, sir. How does this go? I forgot. What if I put it backwards? Right. I can stop recording to make you remember. So while we finished, I just connected the battery. I already started the car to make sure this don't blow up. So put the old one back in. I got the new one over here, so I'm gonna return it. I'm gonna return it. I'm gonna take it in tomorrow to UPS, and then I'm just gonna get a new one. And this time I know how the old one looks, so when I open the box I can see if it matches or not. But I'm gonna change it though, because this one is like carbon fiber and then the red stripe and then black leather. So I'm gonna order a new one, and I'm gonna make this be red, and then the carbon fiber may be red too, but I don't know yet. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. And like in the last video, we couldn't do the brakes, and now we can do the wheel. I guess we can't do nothing on this car. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.